everyone, welcome back to our channel. Once again, we are the Masterminds, and today we are going to talk about livestock, mainly animals. So I'm here with my colleagues. They are going to introduce themselves and what they are going to present to you. We start with
everyone. Welcome back. My name is Leon Mwenda. Hope we are going to teach you on the best practices.
Hi everyone, Immaculate. I'll take you through the importance of dairy animals.
Hello everyone, my name is Evans and I'll be glad to take you through the animal diseases, especially on the dairy animals which normally affect the farmers in Kenya. Hope you learn more. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth Anyim and I'll be taking you through the animal structure. Please stay tuned.
I'm Brian. I'll be taking you through the pests that attack the dairy animals, especially cows.
Nyambura Kenya. I'll be taking you through animal feeds and the importance.
Welcome to our ongoing dairy structure, and I'll be taking you inside to see what's going on. So we have water here which will be provided for the animal and even for cleaning here, or for even any visitor to come anaweza osha mkono hapa, then anaingia for any handling of animals. So again here there's penye ng'ombe inakula. It's called the fodder area. Then the watering area where the animals will be drinking. You see, maji imeconnectiwa, so kuna maji hapa hivi, anytime itataka kukunywa wanaifungua, then iko sawa. And this is the walking area. This is also the entrance or the exit. We have the milking area, and it should be 1.1.1.5 meters for the distance here. So inakamuliwa hapa na hapa. Also the crash hapa hivi ni penye deworming can take place, any handling of animals, yeah. Then the drainage. Hii drainage inasaidia kuosha hapa. Wakati unaosha, hii maji inaweza enda hadi ng'ombe ikikojoa, haibaki hapa, inaingia through. So kuna hii ni somehow a gate. Hii sasa gate unaweza ifungua ama kuifunga. For now tumeifunga. Inaweza saidia ng'ombe wakati wanaihandle hapa the crash isitoke, ama kama inakamuliwa ikaenda ikakula chakula. This is the loafing area where the animal can come out and bask the sun. Yani inaota jua hapa, then inaweza enda ya back huku hivi ni pa kulala, then hapa ni pa kufeed. Yeah. So, come and see, this is the storage area. So, the storage area, hapa hivi pia kuna milking storage equipment, penye equipment itakuwa inawekwa, na even the forage, maybe hay itakuwa inawekwa hapa juu for storing. Then bado it's ongoing, the stairs itaundwa, everything itakuwa sawa, and we will show you.
Welcome again. We are dealing with what we are on the adoring dairy animals. Here we have this is the milking yard where the owner of this shed will be milking his animals. Then we have the crads. Here will be where all the animal managing activities will be done. For example, deworming. Animals with horns tend to be very dangerous when in dairy in dairy farming because they may destroy the structures, and they may also injure other animals. Even deworming will be done here. As you can see, it is well strong in a way that all the animals will not destroy them. In our shell, it's also well ventilated to allow enough light to get in, and there's roofing which will prevent the animal from getting rained, which may cause diseases like pneumonia in the animals. Now, before we turn to the next section, I would like to engage my colleagues with a simple game which goes like rock, paper, scissors. Do you know it? Yeah. Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors. This one has gone out. This one has failed. Now let's get to the handling management of animals. I will start by what are the signs that a cow is on it. For example, when a cow is on it, it will mount on others. It will mow excessively. There is swelling of vulva, and there is also there are some mucus that comes out of the vulva. There are also some signs of when a cow is going to maturate, when the under is greatly enlarged. The under is greatly enlarged, showing that there is enough capacity for milk, which will be used by the farmer and also to feed the animals. This animal may have some ways that the ways of mating these animals may be either natural or artificial, but there is the most expensive, which is embryo transplant, which is very expensive. My colleagues, is there anybody among us who knows what is natural mating or artificial mating? Or you have any question?
Yes.
Ask the question.
I was asking, what is artificial insemination?
Artificial insemination ni pale ambapo unaita daktari anakuja wakati ng'ombe yako iko katika muda wa joto, anakuja anaifanya aji, anaiweka ile mimba kupitia mpira, yani hautumii ndume mahali popote. Umeelewa?
Umuhimu wa hiyo artificial insemination.
The importance of artificial insemination ni pale ambapo ndume moja inaweza serve jike mingi sana. Yaani kwa mara moja zile sperms ambazo zinatolewa kutoka kwa ndume zinaweza serve ng'ombe mingi kwa wakati mmoja. Tumeanza. Sasa nadhani tumefikia mwisho wa kipindi. Tunaenda kufikia mwisho wa kipindi cha kwanza, na nataka nimkaribisha rafiki yangu Nyambura akuja aonyeshe mengi kuhusu jinsi ambavyo unaweza mfuga ng'ombe wako. Asante.
Habari, so I'm Nyambura. I'm going to take you through the animal feeds. First of all, tutaanza na maji, as maji iko na umuhimu mingi kwa mwili wa mnyama na pia kwa mwili ya binadamu. Maji inasaidia kutengeneza maziwa, pia inasaidia kukua mwili, na pia inasaidia kwa maziwa ndio it makes the largest percentage in milk component. Alafu kuna proteins pia. When you give your animals feed, make sure it entails proteins so as to help them in growing, in bodybuilding, so as the animals get to become healthy and they have large bodies that it's able for you, hata ukitaka kuiuza utaiuza vizuri juu mnyama wako already akona afya. In an example of proteins, we have the bone meal yenye unaweza enda, it's available in agrovets, na pia kwa minerals. Okay, kwa mnyama anastahili kuwa na minerals. For example, Maclick Super, it's the best. I advise you to take it. It's the best since it helps it regulates the formation of the body, and it's also a major source of milk formation. It also helps in strengthening the bones of the animals so that they don't get fractures easily while they are mating or taking walks. Back again, kuna carbohydrates zenye pia unastahili kuzingatia wakati unapea wanyama wako chakula. So carbohydrates mostly ni fodder crops kama napier, pia inasaidia na mwili wa mnyama. So basically it's about giving your animal becoming healthy. So yeah, I'm going to welcome Evans to take you through the diseases.
Hello everyone, my name is Evans. I'd like to take you through the diseases that mostly affect the dairy animals. As for the diseases, they are categorized into 4 areas, where they are mainly the viruses, the fungal, the bacterial, and the nutritional diseases. To start with, I'll start with the viral diseases. These are some like, for the viral diseases, there is leukemia, which is characterized by a lot of suppressing the immunity, and there is foot and mouth, whereby there is blisters on the foot and the mouth of the dairy cattle. Next, there is the fungal diseases, whereby there is the fungal mastitis, which there is inflammation of the udders, and the other one is the ringworms. They are also classified under the fungal diseases, and there is candidiasis, which there is blisters on the animal. Kwa hiyo ingine kuna nutritional diseases. Nutritional diseases inatokana na ile chakula yenye unapatia ng'ombe. Kama ng'ombe yako uipatie chakula vizuri, as in highly rich nutrients in the animals, kama calcium, utapata ng'ombe yako inapata na milk fever. So farmers always make sure that the feeds which are given to the animals are balanced. And the other one on the diseases. And lastly, on the bacterial diseases, there is foot rot, which is characterized by foul smell on the feet of the animal. So farmers mkuwe keen as washing the zero grazing unit. Make sure it's dry to prevent foot rot. The other one is anthrax. Anthrax is characterized by oozing of blood from all the openings of the animals, and it is very contagious, farmers. So be warned, ukiona hiyo ugonjwa whereby as the animal inatoa damu from all the openings, we should report to the authorities because it is very contagious. And the other one it's food. The other one it's the bacterial mastitis. It has got the similar characteristics as the fungal mastitis. Akisa hapa farmer, the difference inakujanga kwa kutuja kupatia dawa kuna yenye inatibiwa na penicillin. That's the difference. And for the control measures, to my fellow farmers, they are the first and the foremost control measure. It's keeping the around clean and feeding the animals, because kama wanyama wamekula vizuri na watakuwa na high immune, that's preventing them from getting sick.
My fellow farmers, I'm here to tell you more about the pests and parasites that attack the animals in the dairy shed. First and foremost, nowadays ticks are mostly attacking our dairy animals. First, I would like one of our farmers to tell me what is a pest. What is a pest?
A pest is an organism that is considered harmful to an animal's health.
I'll say what is a parasite. A parasite is an organism. It either attacks the internal or the external part of the animal, causing an irritation to the animal, leading to low productivity. First, I'll take you first and foremost to the types of tick. We have the ear brown tick, we have the blue tick. First, we see the ticks majorly attack the external part of the animal, whereby it causes irritation on the skin, whereby it may lead to irritation. Most of the time, you'll find animals scratching their back at the walls, and most of the time licking on their skin. Then I'll take you to the control measures. The control measures, nowadays ticks enter into the scrub areas, the grass areas. So as farmers, first and foremost thing you need to do is to clear around the bush and make the grass short to the grazing unit. Then I'll take you next to mites. Mites these are small things that attract the dairy at the skin. They hide under the fur, whereby it causes irritation, leading to low productivity, especially in production of meat. Then there's some other examples like the lice and the flies. Nowadays, flies they attack the animal at the eyes, whereby they suck whatever the irritation, they cause irritation along the eye, which they suck the sap from the animal, leading to low visibility of the animal when taking the food. Having looked at the external parasites, now I'm going to take you into the internal parasites. Internal parasites, these are parasites that attack the animal internally into the intestines, whereby it causes irritation. Nowadays, we have the roundworms, we have the lookworms, we have the internal parasites. Especially I've slowly look at the tapeworms. Farmers, I need you to encourage, see how the animal is reacting while you're handling it in the dairy shed. I would like to take you to my fellow colleague on how the dairies animals assist farmers.
Back again, we're going to talk about the importance of dairy animals. The first importance is milk production. Dairy animals help in milk production, that is ng'ombe tunapata maziwa kwa ng'ombe, na the milk is rich in these nutrients that help human being, that is in a milk iko na calcium, iko na protein na vitamins. Another importance ni dairy products, that is the other importance of dairy farming, that is the importance of the animals. It is dairy products. The dairy products of the animals, most of it, we're talking about the skin and hides. The skin and hides and even the manure can be used in